Well, they all can't be cream puffs. And we all know that 1 live saves 8. So 2015 and newer, FT4 8R. This is actually an 8R, an 8345R. The main purpose for the video is it has a couple special features. It has a 1500 axle, which we have been selling crazy, like crazy. And it also has an e23 transmission. At least that appears to be an e23 transmission. We have only had a couple of these 15s and newers. Anyway, the 1500 front axle is what I wanted to show off. It's easiest to tell by the heavy tie rod that goes all the way across. We sell this axle complete, less the final drives. We take the final drives off because typically that's not where the problem is. So this tractor's been sitting for a long time. It's got a, I don't know, it doesn't have that many hours on it. You can see the green hue, if you will. That's always a good indication that tractor's been sitting a long time. And this certainly has it on it. It was pulled out of the fence row, actually. A guy bird dogging an axle, actually, a 1500 axle. So that's how we ended up with the tractor. We appreciate him. So just wanted to get that out. It's Christmas Eve, 2021. So engine will go to our rebuilder. E23 will go to the rebuilder. 120 millimeter final drives are going to be just fine. They are round, not flat axles. But we can help you out on anything. You can search our website. This is FT3407. This is the stock number. Everything that we inventory under FT3407, it'll show up that way. Appreciate it. Have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.